Hello friends, welcome to CyberCAD Solutions. In this session, I would like to explain how to automatically load AutoLISP programs. Generally, most of the draftsmen will have their quick LISP routines every time to load. Let us say for example, I have a command called C2 with which I can draw a circle using 2 points. Similarly, AT command to align a text to line. Similarly, incremental text command to place incremental numbers like this continuously. So such commands to execute, we may have to load a LISP routine. For that we will be using app load command. Type app load at the command prompt and press enter. Now if you select any program and click load, it will be loaded into current session only. But if you want to load the same program every time automatically, we have something else called startup suite over here. So to add any program to startup suite, click contents and click add button to select the programs to startup suite. And if you add any programs into startup suite, they will be automatically loaded every time we open AutoCAD. Simply close this and close this. That's all. All the programs that are added into startup suite will be automatically loaded. So the command is app load, and in startup suite you need to click contents button and then add button to add programs to startup suite. If you do not want any program to automatically load, you can simply select the program and click remove so that program will not be loaded automatically from next session onwards. And close. Friends, hope you understood how to load AutoLISP programs automatically. Thanks for watching and welcome to the next session.